In this video, I will show you how to transfer domain from GoDaddy to Wix. In order to do that, what you can do is you can just head over and input right here the domain that you want to use. Now, once you have input that domain, next thing is to check if it's available, and you can also see some extensions that they allow, like .ph, .store, .shop, and a lot more like .one. So just choose which one you want to use. For example, let's use in here the .com option. Let's click on this plus icon. So it will add this to your cart. Now, once it's been added, just head over and click on this continue option in order to actually purchase this domain. So just click on this continue to cart, and then you should be able to see in here the domain that you want to purchase. From in there, click on this I am ready to pay option, and then once you have done that, just enter your payment information. Once you have purchased the domain, you can head over and then transfer it. Like for example, let's head over to the Wix and then scroll down and click onto the settings. From there, just scroll down as well and then click on the domains option. And then from in there, just enter in here the domain that you have just purchased from GoDaddy. So doing that will transfer this authority to Wix instead of GoDaddy. Just follow the on-screen instructions in order to do it.